Welcome back to go-to reviews, and finally, after months and months and months of asking Ridgid Tools, when are you releasing the Pro Gear 2.0 XL 3-drawer system? And they finally gave me an answer. Now, initially, the release date was late 2023, but as we can see, that's not going to happen. So their new release date is March 2024. Now, they didn't say that was tentatively, but they did say that's the date that they have carded to release the new rolling toolbox for the drawers. I'll put the text up so you can see. I'm not making this up. I literally was asking them for months, and I was just trying to answer the questions that you asked in the video that I posted months ago. And I'll put that video up so you can see it. And they finally said, hey, this is the date that we're going to release it. And I'm pleased with that, because I think next year March is a good time, because I don't think any other tool brand, well, besides Stuff Built, who's bringing out a really exciting rolling toolbox, which is one big draw, which I think is exactly what people want when it comes to a drawer system for a rolling toolbox, because you're literally going to have the exact same capacity, but there's a little less capacity than you have now with your existing rolling toolbox with this big drawer. So you can put all your saws, or your circular saw, everything in this big box. Well, opposed to the Ridgid Pro Gear 2.0 3-drawer, you're gonna have some limitations. You're gonna put small items in the top two drawers, and then a big item to the bottom, which wouldn't take as much. So I don't know how it's gonna work out. I think it's a good idea. I think they're a little too late now to market, to be honest with you, because I think they've annoyed most of their very, very hard and fast followers. I'm not personally one of them. So what do you think about the customer service date of March 2024? But that's another video for another day. So 3-drawer system. Now, I think it's a bit too little, but that's just me. I don't generally use Ridgid toolboxes. I use their tools. Their plumbing tools are excellent. What I would say though, their customer service is the worst. I think they need to take it where that is concerned. So what do you think about when you release it? Will you be buying it?